126 athletes from India. Olympic javelin champion Neeraj Chopra is the big attraction. He won gold at the 2018 Commonwealth Games. Boxer Lovina Borgain is back as well and brings in the baton. The three-time Commonwealth gold medalist and Tokyo Olympic silver medalist Mirabai Chanu carries the India flag. He won 61 medals last time in Birmingham, a long way from a single bronze at their first game in 1934.